the love that we get to share, the acceptance and the openness of our community, it's just everything.
Yeah.
Everything. I've found so much love and alignment in this industry.
Yeah. Did you ever think you'd get into it? Is it always like set?
I've liked hair since I was very young. I was introduced to braiding as a kid, moving around a lot. One of the places that we lived was Atlanta. And I got to see braiding pretty young, and I thought that was just like the coolest thing. I ended up getting locked up. I was incarcerated for a while and kind of did a revolving door for a while, and ended up...
That's because you were doing hair without a license, right?
Yes, that's exactly why. Because I was doing hair without a license, and they came and got me, y'all.
So
they came and got me. Keep your licenses up to date, because look, it's terrible.
Yeah.
It was actually something that I really enjoyed in a really dark time in my life, and I didn't realize how much light that actually brought me until after, even really just talking about it right now.
Yeah.
I almost didn't realize how much of like a saving grace that was for me.